Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram.
Today we'll be making the spicy, tangy, and hearty Chinese hot and sour soup that's super easy to make and popular at Chinese restaurants. That's right, so be sure to stick throughout the video to learn tips and tricks on how to make this restaurant classic
Better than takeout.
So y'all, let's get right to cooking. First thing we need to do is prepare our vegetables. Soak our shiitake mushroom and shredded wood ear fungi into hot water for 15 minutes to rehydrate them. Then rinse and drain the mushroom in cold water to make them easier to handle and cut them into slices. Lastly, cut the firm tofu into 1/4-inch strips and then into small cubes. Additionally, to save us some time, we also bought bamboo shoots and carrots already cut into strips. Now, crack 2 eggs and scramble them well. And to thicken up our soup, let's create a cornstarch slurry consisting of 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of cold water. Give this a good mix and also set it aside. Now, in a stock pot, pour in 4 cups of unsalted store-bought chicken stock, along with 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, shiitake mushroom, wood ear mushroom, carrots, and bamboo shoots, and bring your soup to a boil and then gently add in the tofu. When the soup comes to a boil, stir in the cornstarch slurry. It should thicken up in no time and bring the soup back to a boil once again. Once your soup starts to boil, turn off the heat and transfer the beaten egg into a ladle and slowly release the egg while stirring in a circular motion. Doing this will result in nice egg ribbons. And finally, right before we transfer the soup to a serving bowl, add 1/4 cup of Chinese black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and chopped green onions. Give this a quick stir, and now it is ready to be served. And friends, here is the final product, Chinese hot and sour soup. We hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!